Hello guys, today's video we are talking about midguard serpent of god of war. So guys, without getting late, let's get start the video. So in god of war, we saw a colossal serpent when it rise from Nile lakes and gave eggs to the god of war Kratos. His size was colossal than its statue of Thor, and its bite force is X, thousand extillion newtons, and he was colossal creature. He have many thousand sextillion tons heavier, and his size is 40 kilometer. That's smaller than Norse mythology of world serpent. Midgard serpent can guard only Nile realm, and the world serpent cover only world. He has same ability of world serpent, colossal size, venomous bite, and venomous breath. And there are difference between their size. He have less durable than mythology serpent, because Kratos easily tame them and make a one friend. He have such durability. So that was smaller than world serpent. So that's all. If you like and subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so you don't miss any update and comment your idea. So thank you guys.